Taking control of your finances starts with understanding where your money is going. And to do that, you need to get a clear, complete picture of your spending. The easiest way to do this is by linking your financial accounts to an app like PocketGuard. It's a key step to unlocking all the app's powerful features, from automatic categorization to finding bills you can negotiate. Linking your bank accounts to PocketGuard is a straightforward and secure process. The app uses Plaid, a trusted data aggregation provider, to connect with your financial institutions. Plaid acts as a secure middleman, allowing PocketGuard to read your transaction data without ever seeing or storing your bank login credentials. It's the same technology used by many of the leading financial apps you already trust. So, let's walk through the steps to get your accounts connected. First, open up the PocketGuard app on your phone. On the main dashboard, you'll want to look for the Accounts tab. Tap on it, and then you should see a plus sign or an option to add a new account. From there, the app will prompt you to link an external account. You'll be taken to the Plaid screen where you can search for your bank or credit union. Start typing in the name of your financial institution. If you don't see it right away, try a few variations. Sometimes spelling out abbreviations or numbers can help. For example, instead of First National Bank, try First National Bank. Once you've found your bank, select it. Plaid will then guide you through the secure login process for that institution. You'll enter the same username and password you used to log into your bank's website or mobile app. This is the only time you'll need to do this. Plaid uses that information to establish a secure, read-only connection. After you've successfully logged in, Plaid will connect to your accounts and then pass the information back to PocketGuard. This typically takes just a few seconds. You will then be able to select which accounts you want to link, like your checking, savings, or credit card accounts. And that's it. You'll now see your connected accounts on your PocketGuard dashboard. The app will automatically begin pulling in your transaction history, categorizing your spending, and giving you that comprehensive overview of your financial life. From here, you can start building your budget, tracking your progress, and seeing how much money you have in your pocket after all your bills and savings goals are taken care of.